difference.
Okay, so this is the third week of Candito's Linear Max OD phase, and my hair is pretty bad because my hair is always bad at the gym. And today I have squats and deadlifts, a lower body day with no accessories, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be hitting some PRs. See you soon.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. A lie. No, don't wanna live a lie. Live a lie. Ooh. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no.
So today was week 3's first session, the lower session. I had 4 sets of 6 on squats and 2 sets of 6 to 4, like 4 to 6 reps on deadlifts. Same thing with squats, like 4 to 6 reps on squats and deadlifts. And it's my first time recording a video in a gym, so I had trouble seeing the angles and stuff. So if it was a bit sketchy, so this is my first time. Okay, so I done with my workout, came home, ate 2 burgers with potato and sauce, and that was my post-workout meal. And yeah, so let's talk about today's session. Like, squats moved pretty good. I mean, like, the last reps were a grinder. Like the 6th rep, like, I felt it was tough. Otherwise it was like RP 8 or 9ish. So this is Candito's week 3, the linear max OT phase. So you're gonna start working with heavier weights. So yeah, it was pretty good. As for deadlifts, I did 265 for 6 on my first set, and the barbell in this gym, like, its knurling is not good. I mean, like, it's a 20 kg barbell, but its knurling is pretty bad. I mean, for a sumo lifter like me, I have to, grip at shoulder width. So when I'm gripping at shoulder width, my hands falling on the smooth region of the knurling rather than the aggressive and hard region of the knurling. So that's affecting my grip. Like, it's harder to grip because it's smooth and the bar can slip easily. Even though I put chalk, like the first set of 6 reps went pretty good, it was pretty easy. Well, but on the second set, on the 4th rep, I lost grip because of the smooth part of a bar. If it would be a different bar, a deadlift bar or a saber-tooth stiff bar, that wouldn't have happened because the knurling is a bit more rough and aggressive, so the grip's actually better in that. You get what I'm saying, right? So, on the 4th rep, I lost grip, but I wanted to lock it out. So I locked it out, then left it. Because I lost my grip, so I just tried. I said, no dude, I gotta lock out this 4th rep, so yeah. And the clip in the ending of my physique was from week 2's last upper session. So my split is like lower upper rest, earlier on David's program. I have to do legs push pull, rest. So now I'm following Candito's program, and Candito's program is pretty legit and good. Not that David's program is bad, but I like Candito's program more. So if you guys want more videos like this, smash the like button, let me know down in the comment section below. And this was my last workout session as a 16-year-old. I mean, if gyms wouldn't have been closed and this corona thing wouldn't have happened, sheesh, my hair is so bad. And after the gym, my hair is a complete mess. So if this corona thing didn't happen, like 6 months of no lifting, okay? So I would be chasing a 500 deadlift now, and a 455 squat, and a 275 bench. Yeah, those would be, I'd be chasing those numbers by now, and I would have had a pretty good physique, but sadly, COVID-19 didn't let that happen. But you know what? I'm going to put twice as much as effort to make up for those lost 6 months and get better gains. So, tomorrow's my birthday, and I think I'm gonna hit the hay now and go to sleep so that I can wake up early tomorrow, eat food early, and get in my calories, and edit this video so I can post it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start posting daily now. Earlier I lost motivation to post daily on Instagram and YouTube because, you know, I was putting a lot of effort into my videos but wasn't getting, you know, the fruits. So that kind of disheartened me. So now I'm not going to care about the numbers and just keep posting and doing my thing. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Live your life with purpose. Bye.
So